Testing of Fuji differential pressure transmitters. The transmitter has been set to a calibration range of input signal from -25 to +100 millibar and an output of 4 to 20 milliamp. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, some pressurized air as input signal, and we also add a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. For testing, we manipulate the input signal, and seeing as we cannot perform a vacuum test, we could only test the transmitter from 0 to 100 millibar. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit responds accordingly and outputs the milliamp output signal as seen on the multimeter screen, according to the input signal from 0 to 100 millibar. The same process is repeated for the second transmitter.
Halo Kuya Ma.
It is now clear that both differential pressure transmitters are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.